Hey there. Has the recovery journey ever left your confidence feeling a little bit shaky? Whether you're working as a provider, as an advocate, supporting a loved one with psychosis, or an individual with psychosis themselves, this simple practice can help you to refocus, noting your strengths and values. Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron Brinen. I'm a psychologist and a co-creator of recovery-oriented cognitive therapy. And on this channel, we explore tools that actually work for those supporting individuals with psychosis and for individuals with psychosis themselves. Today, I want to share with you one of the simplest routines you can add to your day to strengthen your confidence, noting your strengths and values. Because recovery is a marathon and not a foot sprint. And marathons, they have rest stops for a reason. And this practice can be one of them. So let's dive in. Have you or a friend of yours ever thought about getting a new car? And all of a sudden, everywhere you looked, you saw that car. Like if you thought about getting a punch buggy, everywhere you looked, all you saw were punch buggies? It's probably not that the company hired a fleet of punch buggies to follow you around. It's that they were always in your environment, but your brain filtered those out. We're gonna use the same system to strengthen your confidence, because that's exactly what happens when you start noting your strengths and values. The more you practice looking for those strengths and values, the more your mind naturally starts looking for them in your environment and noticing them throughout your day. Just like spotting all those punch buggies on the road. When you're able to adjust your focus and see your strengths alongside those struggles, it's the first step in starting to rebalance your confidence. They act as a counterweight and put the setbacks in the context of the rest of your life. So this practice happens in two distinct steps. Step one, write it down. Identify 1 to 3 strengths or values. A strength is something you're good at. A value is something that's important to you. I'll include a link below for some common lists of strengths and values. Step 2, as you move through your day, notice when you use them. Maybe your strength is patience, and you used it when you were in a conversation with an individual you were serving. Maybe one of your values is kindness, and you checked on a colleague who is having a particularly difficult session. The more often you do this, and the more you make it a routine, the easier it gets. It becomes natural to spot those strengths and values. If you find that you're struggling to identify examples of activities when you're using your strengths and values, that's a time to start adding those to your activity schedule during the day. This simple daily routine helps for you to refocus your mind, rebuild your confidence, and rebalance yourself of seeing both the good and the bad that's going on in your daily life. Now it's your turn. Drop it in the comment below. What's a strength or a value that you noticed today? And if you want more real tools for recovery, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the next one. And YouTube seems to think this one would be helpful for you. So enjoy. Your strengths and values are already there. You just need to focus on them. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.